Oh, Darthknuckle.
Psilocybin as the model.
Come here, old chap.
They dose the ayahuasca.
All black, filled in. Yay, another 2 weeks of itching and slapping myself like I'm patting my weave or some shit.
Shaman blows his whistle or shakes his shakupa, his leaf.
Sasquatch is real, just so you know.
The Zuni Fetish Warrior Doll.
What is that? What the fuck is that? I kinda don't want to touch it. Holy shit, there's like some scroll?
Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't read that. I never saw that before.
His name is He Who Kills. The Loony.
That's a Z, that's Zuni.
The Loony Fetish Warrior Doll. What the fuck? How?
What?
Is there a missing piece? Should the
Chain, that's what I keep saying.
the chain, the doll, doll and I don't know, spirit, bone, driving. Just don't take it in the car, I guess. Oh, he's got sharp ass teeth, bro. Damn, look at this chain. Get this bitch a loincloth.
It's on there, right? The chain is on?
It looks pretty intact.
Oh, wow. Wait, where is it? Where's the chain?
Right on his dick bone.
Don't joke like that, man.
Should the chain be removed, for real, this motherfucker will come to life, man.
What the fuck?
Only if we can get the chain back on. Come on, you son of a bitch. And I go the well of silence.
How much is this shit worth on eBay?
Cause I don't need it.
You just paid him crickets.
Oh, shit. Damn, it's fucking bright out here. Dang.
Barney's been here.
Birth. This way.
Yeah.
Stop moving.
Damn. Ewok City, bitch. Oh, like your party? Do you like your party? Should the chain be removed? You will come to life. You will come to life. Should the chain? Should the chain? Like your party, motherfucker.
Spice.
Sea Breen.
Yo, Darthknuckle. You know, I've seen a few good movies. Seen a few good movies in my day. Oh shit. Yo, have you ever seen this movie, Darthknuckle? This guy.
Dimensions. This is Salvia Divinora. This side of the yawning grave.
Hello, dear boy. Want to play?
I was killed, alright, me brothers.
Like your party?
So, Ichabod, what brings you to this side of the field?
My name is Ichabod Crane and I'm come to find the pig man. He's a loathsome creature.
You will not alter the plan. Now the elves are near.
Those fucking days. Fucking Barstow. The bats. Holy shit. I should have let me return it.
Took too much, man.
Hey, Darthknuckle. What do you got? What are you doing? What is this? Can I play it?
The grail awaits.
Do you know how long we waited?
See, I got this thing called Shine.
How did it work now?
She
It's kind of like toast when I shine. If you burn some, you can't reverse it.
Burning with Vernon.
Yeah. So when I shine, I can't reverse it.
Them Clonny beans be coming up on a chief time, and I be sipping neat. Oh.
Can't even get on that alligator or down.
See those things.
This is reasonable advice.